digital nesters. I am Katherine Mesina, EBC UK correspondent, and today we'll be cooking up a storm with our chicken katsu curry. Let's get started. So for our ingredients today, we'll start with our sauce. We need 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 1 clove of crushed garlic. You need 300 milliliters of chicken stock, 100 milliliters of coconut milk, and for our spices, you need 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, 1 tablespoon of flour, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You need 2 chicken breasts, flour, an egg, and you can either use golden breadcrumbs or panko breadcrumbs, but today I'll be using golden breadcrumbs. Let's now prepare the sauce. So to start off, you want to add a bit of oil into your pot and turn your stove onto low-medium heat. Then you just want to add all of your vegetables in and soften them. And once you have done that, you want to add in your turmeric and your curry powder. And stir for a bit and let it sit on low-medium heat. Then you add your flour and slowly add in your chicken stock. Now we add in our coconut milk. Now we add in a pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, and a dash of soy sauce. Now that we have finished our sauce, let's prepare our chicken. First, take your chicken breast and cut it in half. Then you'll need to take a rolling pin and flatten it. Now crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it up, and then we can start our process of battering the chicken.
In order to batter your chicken, cover it with flour, then dip it in the egg, making sure all of the chicken is covered. Repeat the last 2 steps, then cover it in your breadcrumbs.
Now that we've battered our chicken, let's put it in the oil.
Fry until golden brown, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Serve the chicken along with rice and the katsu sauce. And there you have it, homemade katsu curry. Enjoy!
Let's continue to stay connected as together we grow. I am Katherine Mesina and we live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.